Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In this segment, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to disassemble and clean your Nama C2. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so first you just want to take that off like that. I'm gonna set this right here for a minute. Move this out the way. Okay. So you just want to twist this knob to your left, take it off. All gooky stuff in there. You just want to pop that lid. There's this little latch right here. You just push it in and the pop comes off. And then this latch right here, it just comes off. Don't worry about breaking it. You just pull it off gently. So what I do, I usually take a spoon because I got a lot of gook in there. I just take a spoon and then I push that down into the garbage can. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so I got most of the gook out of there. It's just a little bit, you know. So go ahead and get my water running. And I just wash the rest out. I wash it by hand. I don't have a dishwasher or nothing like that. I don't care about having a dishwasher. So you just take your rag or whatever you wash dishes with and just wash it out. So the second part of this, it's a few pieces in here that has to come out. The spinning part, it's got all this gook in here. Ugh. So you just want to pull that out like that. And then all this, set that in the sink. And then you got this piece, set that in the sink. And then you got this piece with all the ookie stuff. So again, I take my spoon and scrape this all in the garbage. I'm pretty sure y'all don't need to see me scrape all this in the garbage. I'm gonna scrape this stuff in the garbage, all of this. I don't know if y'all can see that, all of that in there. Yeah, gonna scrape all that into the garbage. Okay, so this is the big part where it holds all of the juice. So you just, this part right here, you just open it and let the little bit of juice run out of there. Now this part is where the pulp comes out. So you want to take this latch and pull it, and the whole thing just comes down. And you just take all of that pulp right there in your hand, pull that in the garbage. And then y'all can see there, you get that little pulp right there, put that in the garbage. And this little green piece, this comes off as well. So when you're washing it, you want to take that off so you can get everything. So now we're going to see and wash it. Okay, so now that everything is all clean, we're gonna start putting it back together. I grabbed the wrong piece. I'm gonna put that back. So this is the piece that goes on the bottom of the, on top of the base. And I'm gonna put the little green thing back in there because that green little whatever it is, it keeps the pulp in while you're juicing. So if you don't have that in there, I don't know what's gonna happen to your pulp. It might mess up your juice. So just slide that back on top of the base like that. There you go. And then we're gonna get the other pieces. So that's the piece that goes on the outside of the juicer. So you just slide that right on in there like that. Yep. And then you want to make sure you line up those little corners right there. You have a small one and then you have a big one. You want to make sure the small one goes on the small side, and you want to make sure the big one goes on the big side. Once you have that in place, you can put the spinner in there. Make sure it's aligned correctly. Yep, push it down like that. And then you want to go ahead and put the big piece on. That's the piece that, all of the fruit goes in. Go ahead and slide that on top. Sometimes I have a little trouble with it, but usually I just spin the little spinner to make sure it's all the way down, and then slide. Once you hit a click, that's when you know it's on there. And then you could just go ahead and put that top on there. Just click it back on. Yep, just like that. Once you hit a click, you all set. And that's how you put together the Nama C2 juicer.